which way I'm going. Oh my goodness, I forgot to get my light, guys. Might be hella dark. I know y'all ain't gonna be able to see. I can't even see. I'm so fucking fucked. On this day, how free I forget about my light. That's the crazy part, bro. Ow. I legit forget about my light. Alright guys, I had to salvage some of this. I forgot my light. That's the crazy part. Trying to ride. Crazy part is I don't want to get hit. I mean, not get hit. I don't want to fall. So I'm just like, you know, watching everything. Haircut, guys. Just got my haircut. Feeling good, boy. I'm all the way in Moorgate. This is where I used to live at. And I head back to Deerfield though. To the train station I go. I feel like it be raining over here though. Fuck, how I'm gonna get over here? Oh my god, my bike is electric. I did want to go in the bike shop. Is it wet? Let's hope not. No, it's not. Oh, it's fake grass. Haha. Do I got a flat? Or I don't have a flat, it just feel like it. That's why I feel like I got a flat, but I don't. Let me check. Nah, I don't have a flat. They just the big ass wheels. Yeah guys, I ain't gonna lie, this bike really lasts me for a long time today. I could have went. Bike lasts me for a long time today. I'm on like 2 bars. I ain't even charge it. I'm gonna charge it up when I get home. Would I make it home with 2 bars? I don't know. The world would never know. The road is more quiet, not more quiet, more like it's more not like more dead. I like going when it's nighttime. I like riding at nighttime. I forgot, man. I'm so mad that I freaking lost my. I mean, I left my light. That Mercedes going that way. Oh man, really? The wetness.